Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to make an Asana project private. This is a useful feature when you're working on sensitive information or simply want to limit who can view and collaborate on specific projects within your workspace. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, navigate to the project or portfolio that you want to make private. Once you're viewing it, look to the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the Share button. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your gateway to managing who has access to your project and controlling its visibility settings. After clicking Share, a dialog box will appear with various options for managing your project's accessibility. Within this dialog, you need to locate the Access Settings section. This is where Asana allows you to define the privacy level of your project, determining whether it's visible to your entire workspace or restricted to specific members only. Next, click on the drop-down menu under Access Settings. Depending on your current configuration, this dropdown might display something like My Workspace, which indicates that the project is currently visible to everyone in your workspace. This is the default setting for many projects, but we're about to change that to something more restricted from the dropdown options that appear. Select Private to Members. This crucial step transforms your project from a workspace-wide accessible resource to one that only specific invited members can view and interact with. By choosing this option, you're effectively creating a closed environment where only the people you explicitly add will have any visibility into the project's contents, tasks, or progress. Finally, take a moment to confirm your changes by reviewing the members list that appears below the access settings. This list should now only display the members you've specifically invited to the project. If you see anyone who shouldn't have access, you can remove them directly from this list. This verification step ensures that your project is truly private and only accessible to your intended collaborators. And there you have it. Your Asana project is now private and secured from unwanted viewers. This simple adjustment gives you complete control over project visibility and helps maintain confidentiality when working on sensitive initiatives. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.